Welcome to Imphal, the vibrant capital city of Manipur, India. Nestled amidst the rolling hills of the Imphal Valley, this city is a tapestry woven from threads of rich cultural heritage and breathtaking natural beauty. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of this remarkable region, exploring landscapes that have remained virtually untouched by time. Our expedition will take us from the bustling heart of Imphal to the tranquil shores of Loktak Lake, where we'll encounter a unique ecosystem unlike any other on Earth. We will traverse the verdant hillsides of the Shirui Range, home to a flower found nowhere else in the world, and delve into the depths of protected national parks where rare and endangered creatures reside. Prepare to be captivated by the sights and sounds of a land brimming with life, a place where ancient traditions intertwine with the splendor of the natural world. This is Imphal, a destination where adventure awaits around every corner.
Our journey begins at Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, a place of immense beauty and ecological significance. Here, amidst the tranquil waters, lies a phenomenon unlike any other, the foodies. These floating islands, formed from masses of vegetation, drift across the lake's surface, creating an otherworldly landscape. The foodies are more than just a curious sight. They are a vital part of Loktak's ecosystem, providing shelter and sustenance for a myriad of life forms. From tiny insects to large mammals, these floating meadows are a testament to nature's ingenuity. As we glide through the channels between the foodies, keep a watchful eye out for the lake's most elusive inhabitant, the sangai, also known as the Manipur brow-antlered deer. Critically endangered and found only in this region, the sangai is a symbol of Loktak's fragile beauty. The sangai, with its distinctive antlers and graceful movements, has inhabited these floating islands for centuries. Their hooves have adapted to navigate the spongy terrain, allowing them to move with surprising agility. To catch a glimpse of this rare creature is a privilege, a reminder of the importance of preserving this unique habitat. Loktak Lake is also a haven for bird life. Flocks of migratory birds, drawn by the abundance of fish and insects, paint the sky with their vibrant colors. From the elegant sarus crane to the brightly hued kingfishers, the air is alive with the sounds of their calls. Loktak Lake, with its floating islands and elusive inhabitants, is a testament to the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Our next destination lies on the southeastern shores of Loktak Lake, a sanctuary dedicated to the preservation of Manipur's state animal, the Sangai National Park. Here, amidst a mosaic of wetlands, grasslands, and forests, we embark on a quest to track these elusive creatures. The Sangai National Park, established in 1977, stands as a testament to conservation efforts aimed at protecting the sangai from the brink of extinction. The park's diverse habitats provide refuge not only for the sangai, but also for a rich array of flora and fauna. As we venture deeper into the park, the air hums with the sounds of insect life, a symphony of chirps and buzzes that underscores the vibrancy of this ecosystem. Towering trees form a verdant canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and creating a sense of serene tranquility. The park is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 100 species recorded within its boundaries. Keep your binoculars at the ready, for you never know when a flash of color might reveal a rare avian treasure, from the majestic hornbills to the vibrantly colored parakeets. The undergrowth rustles with the movement of smaller creatures going about their daily routines. Squirrels scamper through the branches, while monitor lizards bask in sunny patches on the forest floor. Each encounter, no matter how fleeting, serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life within this protected haven. Our guides, with their keen eyes and intimate knowledge of the park's hidden trails, lead us deeper into sangai territory. We move cautiously, our senses heightened, hoping for a glimpse of the elusive deer. The sangai, often referred to as the dancing deer due to its graceful gait, is a master of camouflage, its reddish-brown coat blending seamlessly with the surrounding vegetation. Patience and a keen eye are essential for spotting these shy creatures. The sangai, a symbol of hope and resilience, represents the success of conservation efforts within the park.
Leaving the wilds of Sangai National Park, we journey back to the heart of Imphal, where history and nature intertwine within the walls of Kangla Fort. More than just a historical relic, Kangla Fort offers a tranquil escape, its grounds a testament to the enduring power of nature. Once the royal palace of the Manipur kings, Kangla Fort has stood witness to centuries of history, its walls echoing with tales of triumphs and tribulations. Today, the fort stands as a symbol of Manipur's rich cultural heritage, its grounds meticulously preserved for generations to come. As we enter through the imposing gates of the fort, we are greeted by a sense of serenity that washes over us. Gone is the hustle and bustle of the city, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet melodies of birdsong. The fort's gardens, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, offer a welcome respite from the tropical heat. Lush lawns stretch out before us, inviting us to stroll leisurely beneath the shade of ancient trees. Water bodies, shimmering in the sunlight, add to the sense of tranquility. The rhythmic flow of water, cascading over carefully placed stones, creates a soothing soundtrack to our exploration. These tranquil oases attract a variety of birdlife, their vibrant colors adding to the beauty of the surroundings. The air is thick with the scent of flowers, their vibrant hues a feast for the eyes. From delicate orchids to flamboyant hibiscus, the gardens showcase the diversity and beauty of Manipur's flora. Butterflies, their wings painted in an array of colors, flit from blossom to blossom, adding to the enchantment. The Kangla Fort, a place where history and nature coexist in perfect harmony, offers a unique perspective on Imphal. It is a reminder that even amidst the bustle of a modern city, pockets of peace and tranquility can be found.
Our pursuit of Imphal's natural wonders leads us now beyond the city limits to the rolling slopes of the Shirui Hills, a region shrouded in mist and legend, home to a botanical marvel found nowhere else on Earth, the Shirui lily. As we ascend into the hills, the air grows cooler, the dense forest closing in around us, creating a sense of venturing into an enchanted realm. The sunlight filtering through the canopy paints dappled patterns on the forest floor, illuminating the vibrant mosses and ferns that carpet the ground. The Shirui Hills, named after the peak that dominates the landscape, are a haven for trekkers and nature enthusiasts. Trails wind their way through the dense forests, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding valleys and the distant plains beyond. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, the calls of unseen creatures echoing through the trees. The Shirui Hills are home to a variety of bird species, many of them endemic to this region, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. Our trek leads us deeper into the heart of the hills, where the air is thick with the scent of pine and damp earth. The path, at times steep and challenging, rewards us with glimpses of cascading waterfalls, their waters tumbling down moss-covered rocks, creating a symphony of sound. We are accompanied by local guides, their knowledge of the terrain and its hidden secrets proving invaluable. They share stories passed down through generations, tales of mythical creatures and the spirits that are said to inhabit these hills. As we ascend higher, the vegetation changes, the dense forests giving way to open grasslands interspersed with stands of rhododendron trees. During the spring months, these hills transform into a riot of color as the rhododendrons burst into bloom, their vibrant hues painting the landscape. And then, we reach our destination, a high-altitude meadow shrouded in mist where the legendary Shirui lily blooms. The Shirui lily, a testament to the wonders that await discovery, serves as a beacon, urging us to protect and cherish our planet's irreplaceable biodiversity.
Our final destination takes us to the southern edge of Loktak Lake, where land and water blur, the Kibul Lamjau National Park, the only floating national park in the world. Navigating the waterways, the foodies, floating islands unique to Loktak Lake, form a mosaic of green stretching out before us. This landscape is in constant flux, the islands shifting with the whims of wind and water. Established in 1977, Kibul Lamjau provides a haven for a unique ecosystem adapted to this ever-changing environment. It is a testament to nature's resilience, where life flourishes in unexpected places. The park is a sanctuary for the Sangai, Manipur's state animal, and a symbol of conservation. Amidst the foodies, the Sangai navigate the spongy terrain. We move silently through the channels, scanning the foodies for movement. The air is thick with humidity, the sounds of the lake creating a sense of serene isolation. Suddenly, a flash of movement catches our eye. A Sangai, its reddish-brown coat blending with the vegetation, emerges from the undergrowth. It pauses, then gracefully bounds across the foodies, disappearing into the foliage. The sight of the Sangai thriving in this unique habitat fills us with hope. It reminds us that nature can endure if we make the effort to protect it. Kibul Lamjau is a sanctuary for a variety of wildlife. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow across the foodies, we reflect on the beauty and fragility of this unique ecosystem.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through Imphal's natural wonders. From the serene expanse of Loktak Lake with its unique floating islands and the elusive Sangai, to the tranquil beauty of Kangla Fort and Gardens, a sanctuary of peace amidst the bustling city, Imphal has revealed its hidden treasures. We've trekked through the mist-shrouded Shirui Hills, marveling at the ethereal beauty of the Shirui lily, a flower found nowhere else on Earth. And we've explored the Kebo Lamjao National Park, a floating oasis of life that stands as a testament to the resilience of nature. Imphal, a city where natural beauty and cultural heritage intertwine, offers a journey of discovery for those seeking to connect with the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Imphal's natural wonders. From the serene Loktak Lake to the unique Kebo Lamjao National Park, Imphal offers a perfect blend of nature and culture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.